constructed 1784, 236 years old. Top tier confidence on insert figure. Hostel entry, no very weak damage. Center Tipu Sultan sitting here, golden throne top, and Minister Mir Sadiq sitting there. On the battles of French officers room, right side room, Tipu Sultan officers room. Under only general meeting hall. Tipu Kingdom tiger strives painting, jig-jog type. Endowed Islamic architecture, Hindu-Muslim equal. Top beautiful paper paintings that side, canvas paintings. Full also museum inside vegetable oil paintings. Repainting not only chemicals, preservation. Tipu Sultan summer time 1 hour, 2 hour rest of this building. Rest time outside pond, leave the water brick before water tank, natural air condition. Summer time inside cool. Tipu Sultan 7 sons, 1 daughter. Inside daughter photos not before cloth covering burqa. Only 7 sons photos there. And the 5 sons, 3 battle only died. 2 sons hostages kidnapped. British took it. Tipu Sultan British shoot. Firing died. Lost winter palace all finished. Nothing is there. Golden throne, cannon, pistol, everything's London Victoria Museum. Summer palace inside Highland. 2 sons generation living there. Calcutta 6th generation. Very poor family. Auto driver and workshop now. This maintenance central government in charge. Tipu Sultan Farsi educated 12 language also writing and speaking. Kannada, Urdu, Farsi, Arabic, French, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarati. First of all, Indian's king Tipu Sultan. Very clever man. Tipu Sultan height now very short, 5.4 inches. Very small chair. Dress is there, you understand. And birthplace Devanahalli, Bangalore district, 1750. Death place Srirangapatna, 1799. Only 49 years he is. Hangman died. Tipu Sultan period used coins, golden coins. Now inside real coins. Permission open up foundation. Srirangapatna original name, before name, Golden Town. Now name Vishnu Bhagavan temple, very famous, Srirangapatna town area. Last sir, secret water gate security, Mir Sadiq open this door, British inside. Tipu Sultan silk dress, silk belt, British attack. First fire, Tipu Sultan hoitars under shoot, horse named Dilkush. Tipu Sultan helmet under, second fire Tipu Sultan head. Watergate near died. 1799 May 4th died, 224 years back. 2 men betrayed. Tipu's father hydraulic and defect minister Purnaya Pandit, Hindu Brahman. Tipu Sultan defect minister, Muslims Mir Sadiq. One side Mama, one side defect. Hindu Muslim 2 men betrayed.
Tipu Sultan is a secular?
Yeah, good man.